Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the preparation of alkane from alkene by hydrogenation. The process is carried over the metal surface, nickel or platinum. When hydrogen molecule or hydrogen gas is passed over the surface of the metal catalyst, its association breaks and it is getting absorbed on the surface of the metal by establishing associations like this. Hydrogen molecule, when attached with the surface of the metal, here is the attachment, and hydrogen atoms get apart from each other by establishing metal hydrogen atom attraction. So this is the dissociation and establishment of attractive force with the metal surface. When the ethene molecule passes over, it deprives its pi bond. The pi bond is broken and ethene molecule get attached to the surface of the metal surface. During this process, hydrogen atoms get associated with the ethene molecule. So one hydrogen is added on each carbon, forming ethane, C2H6. This is the example of heterogeneous catalysis because the reaction mixture is in gaseous form while the catalyst is solid. Main reaction: ethene molecule interact with hydrogen in presence of metal catalyst, may be nickel or platinum or palladium, forming C2H6, that is ethane. Mechanism: the first step, hydrogen atoms attach to the metal catalyst surface. Alkene also attaches to catalytic surface by depriving its pi bond. Hydrogen atom is transferred to the alkene. One of the hydrogen atom is transferred to the alkene. A second hydrogen atom is also added or transferred to the alkene. So the ethene molecule association with metal surface is broken. Two hydrogen atoms have added to the same face of the double bond. This is the syn addition and the product is a saturated alkane. So stay blessed.